Welcome in the cockpit of the A350 XWB, which happens to be the best cockpit in the sky. The core of this cockpit is made by 6 large identical displays which have been developed by Thales. These screens allow to display the right information for the pilot to fly, navigate, communicate, manage the system, as well as with the EFB to manage the mission. This cockpit is the one of our MSN 373 to be delivered to China Eastern. For each pilot, the electronic flight bag is made of an airline laptop racked in a docking station next to the pilot seat. The display can be performed on the cockpit outer screens or something which is unique to the A350 when the pilot selected OIS on center on the lower center display. The control of the electronic flight bag can be obtained via the tablet integrated keyboard or via the trackball controlling a cursor via the Keyboard Cursor Control Unit, or KCCU. The new development made by our supplier, Thales, makes their screens capable to be touch screens. This is a new way allowing interactivity with the electronic flight bag applications, and for the time being only on the EFB applications. Should it be when the EFB is displayed on the outer screens or when it is displayed on the lower center screen. The touchscreen capability offers more flexibility to the pilot during cockpit preparation, allowing him to prepare electronic flight bag while entering with its other hand the data into the FMS. Also, during cruise, having the OIS on center, it allows both pilots to act on this lower display. During approach, it will also be interesting for the pilot to prepare its approach before the briefing. This extended interactivity is very interesting during high workload, allowing to reduce multiple cursor displacement in the cockpit and also maintaining the symmetry of the cockpit. After 50 years of pioneering progress in its cockpit, Airbus is very proud to bring a new innovation on board the A350 XWB cockpit with its touchscreens made by Thales, allowing to improve the interactivity in the cockpit for better efficiency, better comfort, allowing the pilot to choose the right tool to interact the right way at the right time.